Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you're new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Today, as you can see, it's a very simple recipe. We are making sweet potato crisp. Okay, it's so delicious. So come along with me and let's do this. And do listen to the crunch. It's so crispy. Let's get started, guys. So I have my sweet potato. I wash it really good. So I'm using the skin on because the skin makes it so crispy. Okay, so I've washed it nicely and I soak it in salty water for a while because I want the salt to go into it a bit. So that's what I did. So right now I'm going to just slice it nicely. As you can see, this is my slicer. I've used it before. It's so easy to use. So let's slice our sweet potato. So guys, our sweet potato crisp is done. As you can see, it's delicious. So you have to try this recipe. You can add salt, you can add any flavor of your choice. It is so good. So if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please put on your post notifications, okay? So when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.